Can I track my order using my reference number?
Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're going to talk about whether or not you can track your order using your reference number. This is an essential aspect of online shopping, and understanding it can help you keep track of your purchases more effectively.
What is a reference number?
A reference number is a unique identifier assigned to each order by the vendor or the delivery service. This number is used to track the status and location of your order as it moves through various stages of the delivery process. It's essential to keep your reference number safe and handy until you receive your order.
Can I use my reference number to track my order?
Yes, absolutely. Your reference number is the key to tracking your order. Most online retailers and delivery services have tracking systems that accept reference numbers. Once you input your reference number, you can see detailed information about your order's location and estimated delivery date.
How do I use my reference number to track my order?
Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Find your reference number. You'll typically receive this in a confirmation email or text message after placing your order. 2. Go to the vendor's or delivery service's website. There should be a tracking section or page on the website. 3. Enter your reference number. Look for a field where you can input your reference number. Then, hit Enter or click the Track button. 4. View your order status. The page should now display information about your order's current location and status. Remember, the exact process might vary slightly depending on the retailer or delivery service, but the general steps should be similar. So, there you have it. You can indeed track your order using your reference number, and it's quite a straightforward process. We hope this video was helpful and that you now feel more confident about tracking your online orders. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!